This is the latest update here. I decided against making too many wooden rings to sit the speaker on, so it'll be like a wooden funnel with the speaker sitting on top there, because it's going to be a bit costly. So I thought I'll just stick to the one ring. That's the one wooden ring that the speaker sits on. And there, I've got the front panel of the box on, and I've got the back panel on, and I've modified the pedal board and secured it with nuts and bolts, screws and nuts underneath there, so it's really firmly attached. I'm using special compound there to seal the gap in there, because I slit the side of the PVC and I put the board in there, so there's no using screws and screwing it to the top there. Right, so that's all basically done now. I just have to install the plugs thing, which goes from the reverberator, plug there, and I put a socket plug down here, and it goes inside the box and it runs to the speaker. So I'll put that there, run it from there to the speaker, and then I've got to build the kit. That's the amplifier kit, hang on. The amplifier kit here, hang on. There we are. Amplifier kit, I'm sitting on my bed here. I'll build that jaycar electronics amplifier kit, same as I did with the other ghost box over there, and test that out, and I'll use the speaker on that one on the table that was just sort of tested out with, and then I can do all the rest of the wiring and all that there, and add the battery pack to it and all that stuff, put switches and all that stuff there, and later on I can add an LED display on the above panel above the speaker, on the one on the table like this one here. I've got to do that one there. Now I haven't got a speaker grill like this one for the other one there, so I'm thinking of maybe around a line of birdcage wire. So maybe birdcage wires, there's a little speaker cover thing there. I'm not sure on that really yet there. But anyhow, that's about it anyhow. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a thing to stick the battery tray in, and I'm going to modify my last ghost PSP 7 holder, attach it to the back of the box so you can sit the radio in, and just get a little circuit box and slide it out so you can fit it in. And then fix it to the top of this one here. The top will be at this other end here, right about here, at the top here. Okay, the wood's a bit dark in here and brown in that from the friction from the cutting disc, so I'll fix it up later anyhow. Okay, thank you for watching my latest update.